In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can put an Xray resource pack or texture pack on your Minecraft. Anyway, this is a pretty easy process. So what you'll want to start by doing is obviously downloading one. I'll link one in the description, which I'm going to use in this video. But all you have to do is go into a file explorer, which you can open up with that icon. You can do %appdata% in the address bar like that. And that will open up your roaming folder. Go for .minecraft. And then you go to resource packs. And all you do is drop it in here. Alright, let's go ahead and enable them in game. So I'm going to be using 1.20.1, and this process has not changed in many versions, so it should be still working in any future version. What you do is hit escape, options, resource packs, click the one you want, you wait for Mojang to load it, boom, done, and back to game. And as you can see, we can see all kinds of blocks here. Every resource that's included in the pack. Now, it's kind of dark, you can't really see that well. This might work better with Optifine included as well as this pack's maker recommended. But either way, you can still see pretty much everything you need to see. Anyway, use this at your own risk. Be careful with it on public servers. I wouldn't use it on a public server. Use it in single player worlds or with your friends. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll put the link to the Xray texture pack in the description below.